Assalamu alaikum, kids. Welcome back to Islam Station. Today, we will explore the incredible contributions of the Ansar, the devoted helpers of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Stay with us till the end to learn about their selflessness, sacrifices, and unwavering support. The Ansar were the residents of Medina who welcomed the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the Muhajir, the emigrants from Mecca, with open arms. But who were they, and why were they so special? When the Prophet and his companions migrated to Medina, they faced many challenges. They left their homes, their belongings, and everything they had behind in Mecca. But the Ansar, the helpers, showed unmatched generosity and hospitality. They shared their homes, their wealth, and even their food with the Muhajir. One of the most beautiful examples of the Ansar's kindness was the spirit of mu'akhat, the bond of brotherhood established by the Prophet, peace be upon him. Each Muhajir was paired with an Ansari brother, and they treated each other like real family, sharing everything they had. The Ansar were not only generous but also courageous warriors. They played a crucial role in defending Islam in battles such as Badr, Uhud, and Khandak. Their unwavering loyalty to the Prophet, peace be upon him, was seen when they pledged their support in the Pledge of Aqaba, promising to protect him as they would protect their own families. Despite their immense contributions, the Ansar remained humble and sincere. They never sought power or recognition. In fact, when the Prophet, peace be upon him, conquered Mecca, they feared he might leave them. But he reassured them with the famous words, "To you, O Ansar, belongs my life and my death." What can we learn from the Ansar? Their selflessness, hospitality, and unwavering faith are powerful lessons for us today. They remind us of the importance of helping others, standing firm in our faith, and always being generous. Subhanallah, the Ansar's legacy is truly inspiring. May Allah be pleased with them and grant us the ability to follow their example. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Islam Station for more inspiring Islamic stories. Jazak Allah.